How do I get a list of locally installed Python modules? How do I get a list of Python modules installed on my computer?
Solution. Do not use with pip is greater than 10.0. My 50 cents for getting a pip freeze-like list from a Python script. As a, too long, one-liner. Giving. Scope. This solution applies to the system scope or to a virtual environment scope, and covers packages installed by setup tools, pip and, God forbid, easy_install. My use case. I added the result of this call to my Flask server, so when I call it with http://example.com/example server/environment I get the list of packages installed on the server's virtual env. It makes debugging a whole lot easier. Caveats. I have noticed a strange behavior of this technique. When the Python interpreter is invoked in the same directory as a setup.py file, it does not list the package installed by setup.py. Steps to reproduce. Setup.py. We have behave setup.py and /tmp/behave. If we run the aforementioned solution from /tmp, if we run the aforementioned solution from /tmp/behave, behave equals 1.2.5a1 is missing from the second example, because the working directory contains behave setup.py file. I could not find any reference to this issue in the documentation. Perhaps I shall open a bug for it.
In a Python shell/prompt.
Now, these methods I tried myself, and I got exactly what was advertised, all the modules. Alas, really you don't care much about this glib, you know what you get with the Python install. Really, I want the stuff that I installed. What actually, surprisingly, worked just fine was which returned I say surprisingly because the package install tool is the exact place one would expect to find this functionality, although not under the name freeze, but Python packaging is so weird that I am flabbergasted that this tool makes sense. pip 0.8.2, Python 2.7.
Since pip version 1.3, you've got access to, which seems to be syntactic sugar for pip freeze. It will list all of the modules particular to your installation or virtual env, along with their version numbers. Unfortunately, it does not display the current version number of any module, nor does it wash your dishes or shine your shoes.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.